Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of sue. Institute legal proceedings against a person or institution, typically for redress. For example, she is to sue the baby's father. The second definition of sue. Appeal formally to a person for something. For example, the rebels were forced to sue for peace. American pronunciation. Sue. Sue. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Sue. Say. Sue. Sue means institute legal proceedings against person or institution. Sue. Sue. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. This made it financially worthwhile to sue officers for torts they might have committed. Now, repeat after me. This made it financially worthwhile to sue officers for torts they might have committed. The second practice. One of our reviewers suggested that the patient had grounds to sue for negligence. Now, repeat after me. One of our reviewers suggested that the patient had grounds to sue for negligence.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.